how to fix Valorant. Please restart client. Problem isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just right click on Valorant, then properties, after that compatibility, and then click change settings for all users, and here enable those two options, then apply and OK. And after that, just type here services, click on it. Now scroll down until you find here services that starts with V, and then you will find VGC. Now click on it and select here. You will find it like that. Select automatic and then click start. You will find here start. Click on it, then apply and OK. And that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.